Our Be Awesome badges are designed to allow you to earn credit on tools used with your learners. Depending on your role, learners could be the students or the other teachers and adults that you work with. That said, make sure you're using the tools as this program intends and not just to earn credit. It sure makes answering the questions a whole lot easier. We have a few tips that will help make this process go smoothly. Tip 1. Read all the questions before beginning the badge. Maybe copy and paste the questions into a Google Doc or a Word doc so that you can craft your answers over time. Make sure that you work with all of the features and parts of the tools as the questions request. Keep in mind that some questions ask multiple questions. Be sure to answer them completely. Tip 2. Make sure that any links shared are viewable by anyone with the link. The most often, more information needed emails are sent for this very thing. We need access to the work you've shared as your artifact so we can evaluate your badge application. Once you've earned the badge, feel free to remove our access. We promise we don't use this information for anything other than reviewing your badge application. Tip 3. Make sure that all written responses you share address not only the questions asked, but the artifacts and products you're sharing as your evidence. We do look for those connections. We love the glimpse into your learning environment that these badge applications provide, and truly enjoy reading about the amazing things your students are experiencing with your lessons. Rest assured that we do reply to every badge request, to either award it or to ask for additional information before we can do so. The process takes time. Our digital learning specialists work hard to keep to the 4-week turnaround time. However, depending on our work schedules and the amount of badges that are coming in daily, please understand that it could take longer. So, dig in. We can't wait for you to share how you're using some of these digital tools to be awesome in the work you do for New Hanover County Schools.